everyone. I'm going to share my experience on becoming Google certified educator and a trainer. So, I started learning for the Google educator certification on I think on August 2020. So, just spent half an hour to 1 hour of time to learn it. So you don't need to directly sit and work or sit and learn it. Okay, so whenever if I go for walking I'll be learning that. So it's lot all about managing your time. So this is what the very first thing. Once I have written the exam, I have given the exam on 27th December 2020. So once you have written the exam, you will be getting the certificate, that is you will be getting the result on the same day or by the next day. Okay, you will get the certificate. Okay, so I have written on 27th September. I have received the mail on 29th of September. You can see here. Okay, so I received the certification, that is I received the result like congratulations, you have passed the Google certified educator level 1 exam. If you have passed, you will get you will get this email. Hopefully you all should pass. Even if you for any reason if you have missed the exam, that is if you have failed the exam, they will be announcing the same. That is sorry, you can attempt, like when you can reattempt the exam. Okay, so once if you click this secure digital credential, so you can see the certificate here. So this is what the certificate, and you can see that this is the expiring, that is the date of expiration. Okay, that is before 27 September you have to write your exam, 2023. Okay, so this is your Google certified educator level 1 exam certificate. And you can see that they'll also provide a badge for you. This badge you can use it in your Gmail signature, mail signature, or wherever possible in your website. Okay, so this is Google Educator Level 1. So once I've completed the Educator Level 1, this is a completely a basic which I have shared the checklist for doing this. So once I have completed this, on getting the result itself, I have started preparing for Google Certified Educator Level 2 exam. So I have given the exam, like I have written the exam on 4th of October, okay, 2020, and you can see that the I have received the result on October 6th. Okay, so immediately you will not get the result. You will get the result, you have to wait for 2 or 3 days. Even after, if you didn't get the result, you can just send a mail and know about it. Okay, so this is what the mail which I have received, that is a congratulations on passing the Google Certified Educator Level 2 exam. So this is the certificate which I have received, and also you can use, even if you want to give the exam on the same date, okay, you can give it. Okay, if you can write it, because it's easy. If you just explore the topics, it will be very easy, and those things you might have used in your daily basis, like what how to use a Gmail, how to use to CC, and how to label mail. It'll be very simple steps. Okay, the exams will be of that is multiple choice questions and drag and drop options. Practical will be there. Okay, you will be given with a separate mail ID and a password. That mail ID and a password you have to use it, and use it for your exam as well as to do your practical work. So they will evaluate everything and they will show it to you. And it you have to be on, like you have to available in the camera while you are appearing the exam. Make sure that there is no noise around in and around you. And you should also always see the camera properly. Okay, so that is you should constantly, you should not turn here, turn there, should not get up and go somewhere. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind. And the next one is, I have also, you have to pass the trainer skill assessment exam. So this skill is also required to apply for the Google certified trainer. So these three things you have to write. So I have given the exam on October 10. See, I received this result on October 6, and I have started learning for the trainer assessment, and I have given the exam on October 10th. Here you can see that this is also having 3 years of that is 3 years of date. like you can give the exam on 2023. So after completing all these things only, you can, all these certifications, you can apply for a Google certified trainer. That is, you have to submit these certificates there, then only they will process. And another one is, you have to shoot a 3 minutes or 3 minutes of video, where you have to tell how Google, that is how you are using the apps in the Google, from Google, and where you are using, and whether it is useful for you. I have given the video on I'm using a Google for website. Okay, that is website designing, and how I'm using that website, and how it is useful for me. So this is what I have captured a 3 minutes of video, and I have shared with them. If you want to see the video, please leave a message in the comment, so I'll definitely share that video with you, so that you will get an idea on that. So what is the specialty? Why I have did is, see, once you have done, no, you will once you have cleared all these certification, and once you have submitted the application for Google Trainer, if it is validated, and if they have accepted you in the Google Trainer level, so what you will become is, you will have a separate profile. And if anyone is searching for Google certified trainers, you can see your profile here. So here you can see that in Tamil Nadu, if someone is checking for the Google certified trainer specifically in Tamil Nadu, okay, so they can see my name. In Coimbatore, you can see, okay. The most most um what to say, most shocking thing, and this is what, in Tamil Nadu I could see only one person, and if you see around somewhere near US or UK or some other state, you can see various people around. Okay, so in a same place itself, you can see, this is what, in India, totally you can see only few people are there. Okay, so I wish many people should start working on it, or start learning what is Google, how to become a Google certified educator and a trainer, and so that you will also get to know various important information and technology which Google is offering for us.